Hello everyone and welcome back to Silly Weekends. I'm Kat and today I'm finally going to be able to watch Demon Slayer the movie, Mugen Train. I know it's been quite a journey, long ass journey, just getting to this point, but wow, it's been amazing and just thank you. Thank you everybody in our little otaku community that has continuously supported me and even sent super sweet messages while I was out for like a month, as you all know, because of a recent surgery. My arm, shoulder, it's actually this one. It's feeling a lot better. I'm more mobile with it now, so I am happy to get back to work. Finally. I am super grateful for all of your guys' love and motivation. I can't thank you all enough. So yay, without further ado, let's move on to the movie, Demon Slayer Infinity Train. Yay! Oh, and yeah. This is so much once I pulled it out. I did get tissues, well, paper towels. I know some people were like, grab a towel or grab tissues, but I don't know how emotional this movie is going to be, but I am prepared, as you saw. Movie time, movie time. Oh. Okay, ready. Okay, so excited. Kenichi, Hideki, ooh, Minoru. Are these the past Hashira? I do hope I got an okay copy of this movie. Seems like the subtitles of the one that I got is a little bit delayed, so I hope that doesn't distract me too much while watching. One thing they can never crush is humans will. And that's had our swords in our back. This is awesome too, that they're starting the movie right from like the end of the last episode. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Inosuke is so amazed being inside this guardian. They're gonna finally meet Rengoku. I still can't like believe I'm finally at this point. Delicious. Ooh, oh, I haven't eaten either today. What? That's so odd. That's so funny. Casualties of the Mugen Train are increasing. Join Rengoku on site, he said. Oh, their next mission. Ooh, his Hinokame? Myself doing the Kakura scene as a child. That scene always gives me goosebumps. I was hoping you'd tell me. I know nothing. I never heard of the term Hinokame dance. End of discussion. You should become my Tsuguko apprentice. Ah, okay. In a given era, there's always been a flame and a water swordsman among the Ashira. Ah, other techniques were created as offshoot of those five. What color is your sword? A black sword. Well, isn't that unfortunate? Come to me and I'll train you. Okay. Ooh, the goosies. So that's gonna be the swordsman that's going to be Tanjiro's mentor. I know, I remember one of you guys hinting towards that, so. It's so good to find out now. Freaking Inosuke. It's so funny. You never know when a demon might appear. Oh yeah, the one on top. That resting proud face of Rengoku is just hilarious to look at sometimes. 40 people? They've disappeared? Oh, that's creepy. Sus. He's sus already. Holy crap. Oh, they're like zombies. Whoa, Rengoku's face changed too. Well, okay, now it's back, but that really serious phase kind of stopped my heart a little. Like, something's about to happen. What? I had a hard time detecting you. Ooh! We'll burn you to the bone. Wow! Whoa! Oh my gosh, Rengoku's so horse form. Whoa! Unknown. Whoa! Sugoi! Whoa! There's one more. Oh yeah. The one that's right on top. Oh, holy crap. Fighting this one is gonna be crazy. Wait, no. Another one? Oh my god, who would take this train if it gets invaded by demons all the time? Like, if this is a regular thing. Or wait, I think like the outside world is supposed to be totally oblivious to the presence of demons, right? Oh! Oh! How cool! Let's finish him off. Finish him off! Flame breathing, second form. Rising scorching sun. Wow! Ah! Done. Done. Everything is so easy for Rengoku. It's like every time he pulls out his sword and just does one swing or two swings, like they're done. Oh, fanboy. Let's fanboy! That's so funny. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Yay, let's fanboy over Rengoku. The way that scene ended is like, it's so ominous. Like the music that they chose. That demon. Go to sleep. Are those kids demons? Oh no, they're human. Oh my gosh, is this when he discovered his family? Oh. Oh. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Crap. There he is. It doesn't matter how powerful a demon slayer you are. The human's driving force is the heart, the spirit. All you have to do is destroy the spiritual core. Oh. Oh my gosh. We're about to go into like emotional dreams of each and every one of them, aren't we? Oh, his mom. I'm alright. How are you? Are you sure? Come back here. Oh. Oh. It's Netsu's dream. Oh, him and Nezuko. Oh my god. Oh, they're so cute. I can't swim. I'll just carry you on my back and jump right over the river. Oh, how cute! Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Ah! Oh, that is so cute. We're in the Grave Expedition team. Ah! What the hell? Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Oh, the Guardian Train. Of course, Inosuke's dream is gonna be the oddest. Come over here, look, I'll give you these sparkly acorns. Go! How funny. Oh, do we get to see inside? Yes! Rengoku's dream. To report to my father. Oh, that I've become a Hashira. So what if you become a Hashira? Oh, worthless. What the hell? I'm never going to amount to anything anyway. Neither you, nor I. That's crushing. Oh, aw, a little brother. Do you think our father will acknowledge me if I become a Hashira too? He was a passionate man, and yet one day, out of the blue, he quit being a swordsman. Told me it meant nothing. That's not enough to extinguish my passion. Ah, keep encouraging, keep encouraging. You have a big brother who believes in his little brother. Aww. No matter what path you take, you're going to become a fine young human. Let's do our best. Oh, that's nice. They all have encouraging families. Once you're asleep, Hashira or not, You're no different than a baby. I have to hurry to the edge of the dream. The dream world I show them isn't infinite. It's circular. The dream is in the center, where you'll find the spiritual core. Oh, okay. So they're gonna be the ones that... And then I'll get to see a happy dream myself. Oh, okay. This is where they alter the dreams. Is that the core? Yeah. I've never seen a red one before. All I have to do is destroy this, and it'll be my turn. Ah! Ah! Yes! Whoa. I thought humans couldn't move while they were under a spell. Rengoku's different. What a strong survival instinct he has. Come on, Tanjiro. Oh, I hope you sense it. I hope you sense it. Nezuko, let's go. Oh yeah, where is Nezuko? Come on, please sense that this is a dream. Big sis went up to the mountains to pick up vegetables in broad daylight. Come on, figure it out. I guess my eyes were playing tricks on me. Ah! Wake up, you're under attack. It's a dream. Oh my gosh, come on, wake up, wake up! Fight. Ah! What happened? I'm still inside a dream. Oh shoot. Oh, come on. Ah! Wake him up. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. She's so cute.